Okay, welcome to my toolbox tour. This is a 35-year-old KRA system. As I'm now retired, I no longer use it that often apart from DIY projects. Starting in the top drawer, where I keep all my ratchets, a few of my extensions, small 3/8 breaker bar. Next drawer down, a couple of pry bars, a set of Bergen sockets, which I've had for about 25-30 years, and I've never yet managed to break one. So I think, considering they're a budget make, they've done exceptionally well. Next drawer, we've now moved into my metric 3/8 socket set. We lift that out. I have semi-deep, deep and shallow, all 6-point, a couple of extra extensions, another ratchet. Underneath I have a few other flexi sockets in metric, 1/4 inch drive extensions, a couple of plug spanners, hub socket for the Ducati, and a few other odd bits and pieces. Same set again, but in AF. Actually managed to break one of those a few years ago, a 5/8, which I've since managed to get changed. Another ratchet, a few more extensions. Underneath some Roebuck Allen keys, unfortunately not ball end. Main top drawer, all my screwdrivers, all snap-on. I don't use any other make on screwdrivers, I find them too unreliable. Ratchet, some stubbies, flat blades, Phillips, posi, another ratchet, and a few other flat blades up the middle there. Metric spanners, a snap-on flank drive plus, a few other spares, swivel, combinations. Some of these drawers are a bit messy because the toolbox is too small basically. Small screwdriver set, pick set, cabinet screwdrivers, AF spanners, and a set of flank drive AF underneath. Some odd cheapies, another set of snap-on AF, I bought them because I was in a pinch and I needed some E spanners, but don't know what they're like yet. Short spanner, short metric. Electronic screwdriver set. Short combis in AF. There's actually 2 of them missing. Never got around to buying them. Another set of crank rings. This is a bit of an odd drawer. Got my 3/8 snap-on torque wrench, some 1/2 inch drive, 6-point snap-on sockets, another set of chrome Bergens. Yet again, I've had for quite a few years, never broke one. A few snap-on extensions. These are a cheap set of Clark Pro 1/4 inch drive I'd bought. I gave my boy one of my sets and I bought these just to replace them. Another screwdriver, a few bits. Compression gauge. Another set of small 1/4 drive semi-deeps snap-on. I use these mainly for working on my bikes. I find access is easier than the bigger stuff. These are the Clark Pro again, E-sockets and star drive bits. I have no idea what they're like, I've not used them yet. It could turn out to be complete poo. But they do have a lifetime warranty. Flare nut spanners, imperial and metric ratcheting spanners. Set of AF sockets. Brittle ratchet. I've had this for, well, as long as I can remember, 40 years, maybe longer. Still going, bit sloppy, but it still works fine. My messy pliers and mole grip. More sockets, Bergen impact socket set again. Been very good to me. Even the snap-on air hammer hasn't managed to break any of them. A few Halfords advanced. Nothing special. Ball joint socket, Halfords again. Oh. Thread repair kit and a rivet gun underneath.